What's up, guys? Welcome to another lesson in our worship guitar series. Today we're going to learn to play a really amazing song by Switchfoot. There was a really cool cover done by it with Lauren Daigle and Switchfoot together doing the song I Won't Let You Go, and it's such a beautiful song. I'm just going to play the first verse and the chorus for you so you get an idea of what we're going to learn. But if you already know the song, just skip ahead and then you can start learning. When it feels like surgery and it burns like the third degree, and you wonder what is it worth, when your inside's breaking in and you feel that ache again, and you wonder what's giving birth. If you could let the pain of the past go of your soul, none of this is in your control. If you could only let your guard down, if you could learn to trust me somehow, I swear that I won't let you go. If you could only let go your doubts, you could just believe in me now, I swear that I won't let you go. I won't let you go. La, 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 la. Alright, so this song has got a nice picking pattern in the beginning. It's 7th fret with the index finger, and then 9th fret with the pinky on the A string and the B string, which gives you an E chord. Okay, so that's your E. Just give you guys a close up here. Okay, so that's your E chord, and then you go to a D sharp minor type chord, but it works as a B, B/D sharp. Okay, but anyway, go from that chord to the, and that chord also works as your it works as a B actually in the song. So you go E, B. Alright, so that's just one back with the index finger and two back with a pinky. Okay. La, 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 la. And then it goes up to the 9th fret and the 10th fret. So and it doesn't, the chords don't change on the beat, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 3 and 4 and okay, so it changes on the 1 and not on the 1. Okay, so instead of going it's got some delayed transition there. Okay, and then for the verse you go, when it feels like surgery, I'm just gonna go quick, it feels like third degree, and you go back 2 frets and you wonder. Okay, so that's E, B, C sharp minor, B, A. Okay, let's just do that again. And it burns like third degree, and you wonder what is it worth, when your inside's breaking in and you feel that ache again. You want peace, but there's war in your head. And then you go to A. If you could let the pain of the past go of your soul, none of this is in your control. So you can get creative with what you use there. You can also do a usual B chord and just pick that. let's go through it with the chords for the chorus. Chorus, E. If you could only let your guard down. G sharp minor, you can do it the level 2 way, which is like that, or like that. Or there's another way you could do it. You could put you could do a G sharp minor there. It looks the same as the E, it's just on the 11th fret. So now this chord, there's another way you can play the G sharp minor. So you could do it like that, like that, like that. Or you could do it like this, just play it as a B, where you just mute the D string and just go, and you mute the top string as well. So you get this. This is what he does on the Lauren Daigle cover version. So if you could only let your guard down, you would trust me somehow. I swear I won't let you go. If you could only let go your doubts, if you could just believe in me now, I swear I won't let you go. I won't let you go. Cool. So there you go. That's the song. If you're going to the, let's just go through the chart here. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna, and you can download this on the website, and there's the E there. Second verse, pre-chorus, chorus B, and then you come to this part. So after the second time you do the chorus, you're gonna come to this F sharp minor, and then it's gonna be like this F sharp minor. Let's just give you guys a little bit of a picture of what I'm doing here. So that F sharp minor, you're gonna have, I'll let you go. B, G sharp minor. I'll always be by your side. And then you do the chorus again, which is up there. If you could only let your guard down. And then that chorus they kind of do soft before they go into this section here. They kind of do the chorus soft, like if you could only let go da 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 dee da da da. I say da da dee da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee dee da da. Okay, then this chorus part. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. Then the favorite part of the song, the outro. 1, 2, 3, 4. There ain't no darkness strong enough to tear you up from my heart. There ain't no strength that's strong enough to tear us apart. Never gonna let you go. No, I won't let you go. Cool. So that's it. If you have any questions, go download the lesson on our blog, on our website, and on the worship guitar course, just click on there. Online courses, video guitar course. You can download the chords, and let me know in those comments if there's anything that you'd like to know more about the song. But that's it. Have a nice day, guys. Cheers.